You're watching the A Voice Science video. Let's dive right in. We traveled back in time and now physicists are furious. You're a time traveler. Every second that passes, you're moving forward in time, 1 second at a time. Sure, it's not the thrilling time travel we dream about, but bear with me. We're about to dive into the fascinating world of real-time travel. Imagine riding on dinosaurs or high-fiving Einstein. Time isn't just something that ticks away. It's a dimension, a direction we can theoretically move in. We live in a 4-dimensional universe, made up of 3 spatial dimensions and 1 time dimension, all woven together into the fabric of space-time. So what you experience as time passing is actually you moving through the time dimension. But here's the catch. Unlike space, where you can move in any direction, in time, you're stuck going forward. No detours, no backtracking, just forward, or so we thought. It turns out, the way you move through time isn't entirely out of your control. Ready for some mind-bending physics? We'll have to bend some rules, oversimplify, and possibly make some physicists groan, but it's all for a good cause. To understand how time travel really works, the first thing you need to know: everything in our universe moves at the speed of light through space-time. Whether you're sitting perfectly still or sprinting a marathon, you're always moving at this cosmic speed. Your speed through space and time adds up to the speed of light, no matter what. When you're not moving in space, you're barreling ahead through time. And when you're moving quickly through space, you slow down in time. The faster you go in space, the slower you move through time. Simple, right? This is why photons, particles of light, don't experience time. They travel through space at the speed of light, leaving them frozen in time. From a photon's point of view, it zips from the sun to your eye in an instant. No time passes for it at all. This leads us to one of the coolest aspects of relativity: time dilation. Moving faster through space makes you move slower through time. The classic example? The twin paradox. One twin stays on Earth while the other is blasted into space at near light speeds. When the space-traveling twin returns, they're younger than the twin who stayed behind. That's time travel, just in one direction. But that's not all. Massive objects like planets and black holes warp space-time, slowing down time near them. For us on Earth, this effect is tiny, but near a black hole, time can crawl almost to a stop. Travel close to one, and you could come back to find everyone on Earth has aged decades while you've only aged a few minutes. Okay, so we can travel forward in time by moving fast or near massive objects. Cool, but not exactly practical. And as we all know, the real dream is traveling back in time. Unfortunately, that's a bit more complicated. According to the laws of physics, moving backward through time is theoretically possible if we can break the speed of light. Enter tachyons, hypothetical particles that move faster than light. If they exist, and that's a big if, they would travel backward through time. Imagine sending a message to your past self or witnessing the birth of a star before it even formed. Sounds amazing, right? But there's a catch. Physics has a rule. Anything that starts off moving slower than light can never reach the speed of light. Even if you could harness all the energy in the universe, it wouldn't be enough to push you to light speed. So for now, time travel into the past remains a dream, locked behind the unbreakable laws of physics. While this might be disappointing, it leaves us with something important: the present, the only time we can actually influence. Your future is still unwritten, and that's where your true power lies. Luckily, shaping the future is easier than bending the laws of time. With the right tools and knowledge, you can prepare for whatever lies ahead. That's where our friends at 247web.com with a double B. 247web.com offers a ton of interactive course and side hustle Bible, learn AI, and more. It's a great way to spend your time, building wealth, a new side hustle, and learning to think like an entrepreneur. We've even partnered with education agencies to create special courses to complement our most popular videos. Dive deeper into the mysteries of time, space, and everything in between. You can start now just visiting 247web.com and get hands-on life-changing course that can and will make a difference. Now let's get back to it. But if time travel is what you're after, we've got you covered in a different way. Our exclusive timeline of human history and timeline of complex life posters let you embark on your own time travel adventure from the comfort of your home. They're expert-approved and beautifully designed to give you a visual journey through the past. Grab them both to support our channel and take your place in history. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and buckle up. We're just getting started on our time-traveling adventure.